y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm doing another Rosalind review, and today we have 6 polishes to try out. We have some fall colors to try out today, and we're just getting straight into the swatches. Apparently this video is very short, y'all. I edited this down last night and I thought that it was Tuesday today, because this was supposed to come out on Wednesday, but it's Wednesday today, and so it's coming out on Thursday, and I do apologize for that, even though I know y'all don't care. But I'm upset about it. I'm very upset because my channel upload schedule is Saturday and Wednesday, and I keep being lazy and lagging behind and doing stuff that is just not unnecessary and just not being productive, and I really hate it because I enjoy being productive. But anyways, the swatches and Rosalind. So thank you to Rosalind for sending this kit over, and we have 6 colors here. And as y'all can see, the first 2 colors were 2 beautiful silver and gold glitters, and the rest are well, there's one more glitter, and then the rest are just regular colors. And I'm doing 2 coats obviously for each color, and then yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all how these all look. And I would say my favorite color had to end up being the holographic glitter that I'm gonna swatch in a minute, but y'all can let me know your favorite color below. And I have a discount code linked with it. I always say discount code is linked. It's not linked, it's just a code that is for 10% off that I will pop up here, but it's also in my description below. So here's the code for 10% off, and remember, it's in my description as well. And yeah, just don't forget about that code if you're interested in this gel polish kit. And each gel polish kit I get from Rosalind pretty much has its own discount code, so just keep that in mind. So if you see any other gel polish kits that you like from Rosalind, feel free to find it on my channel. I guess I have a lot of Rosalind gel polish reviews, and even acrylic and even polygel. So yeah, I probably should make a Rosalind playlist because I do have a lot going on there. Anyways, time to do the nails. And I was just showing y'all my growth because I realized that my nails they've been growing, and they stopped growing because I was before using different pop-off methods to see what worked, but then I ended up just buying a peel-off base coat, and it works really well, and it's probably linked below because I use it every video. Every time I'm doing my nails, I'm using that peel-off base coat, unless for some reason I'm doing my nails to keep them on, but that's really rare. So I'm starting off here by painting. This new color didn't come with the kit, but I'm using it today just because I needed to use a new color today. So my thumb, my index, and my ring finger are all going to be fully nude. Obviously I'm going to be putting something on top of them, but for now we're just having to put this new base. And then for the pinky, I'm going to do gold, just that gold polish. And then we're going to move on to I guess I'm doing this one first. Doing the green polish on my middle nail first, and then we're going to go to the pinky and do the gold polish. And I think I did 2 coats of this green polish, but you could go with just doing 1 coat for this design. But if you want that full color payoff, go ahead and do 2 coats of the green. And I'm pretty sure I did 2 coats of this gold glitter just because it's pretty sheer. You can see my nail right underneath it. So 2 or 3 coats of this to get that full glitter effect for the gold polish. But anyways, I'm going in right on top of the green and putting that gold on top. This design that I decided to do today is very simple. It doesn't require much explaining because it's mostly just polish and bling, barely any nail art for real. because I don't like to do nail art back to back to back, because like some people can do that, like every set they do is like full on nail art, but me personally, since it takes me so long, and I know it takes them long too, but it also takes me a long time, and for that reason I can't do it back to back. Plus I get burned out really easily doing art, like really easily. But with nails I don't get burnt out as easily. Anyways, I'm going in with this holographic glitter on top, and yeah, I did like multiple layers of glitter. Like that's probably something that y'all are going to be seeing a lot from me like soon, I guess, because glitter is glitter. I don't need to explain. I just like stacking different glitters on top of each other, because you get that, like, it just gives off like an effect that you couldn't get, I don't know, from anything else. So I just like stacking glitters on top of each other. But for the French tips, I didn't stack the glitters, I just went ahead and did regular French tips. I'm pretty sure I did one coat for that V French. And moving on, I'm doing an ombre with this glitter, and glitter ombres are pretty easy to do because it's just glitter and the color. So you can just add your glitter on top and then take any brush pretty much and just lightly feather it out into the color that you're using as a base. And the only way that this could like be streaky is if your glitter gel polish has a base color to it, but this is just like a loose glitter with like a clear base color, so it was pretty easy to get it to ombre nice and smoothly. For the bling on the French tips, I'm doing something very simple, just a straight placement, nothing too complicated. And I pretty much used like all my gold bling, unfortunately, but also I just ordered some more, so not unfortunate, I guess. The thing is that I can't run out of certain stuff. Like there's certain stuff where like if I run out, I immediately am facing problems. Like immediately I'm reaching for it, and the fact that it's not there, I'm annoyed. So yeah, I definitely had to get this gold bling as soon as possible. Also, really wish I could get more of those ginormous heart bling, like those planet charms. But like, I was shopping on Shein and my budget was $26 that I had found in my wallet, so I just got the stuff that I needed and got out of Shein. But anyway, yeah, the bling for the French tips is very simple. I'll be showing y'all both French tips because they're not the same. They're just both like similar and not that complicated. But yeah, that's all for the bling on this nail. I hope y'all didn't just hear my cat sneezing. I was kind of struggling a little bit. I just knew that I wanted to do gold and I had to use these gold butterflies because I love them. And pretty much every set that I've done that involves gold, I use these butterflies. Y'all are probably sick of them every time y'all watch a video of mine and I'm using these butterflies, but that's too bad because I'm gonna keep using these because I love them. Anyway, I'm pretty much just placing these like kind of random, but at the same time not. They're kind of like in a zigzag pattern, and then I'm just gonna be dotting some gold little bling like around the empty spaces. And I just kept this pretty simple, I guess. I guess the whole set I kept pretty simple, which is not possible when I'm doing acrylic. The only time y'all will ever see me keep a set simple is when I'm doing regular gel press-ons. Otherwise, it's gonna be color blocking. I don't know, encapsulation. I don't know. I just love doing acrylic. So yeah, I kind of wish this was an acrylic set, but I didn't feel like pulling the acrylics out when I sat down to review these polishes. And I also thought this video is about the polishes, and if I do acrylic, I'm going to be doing acrylic for the first half of the video, and it's like, y'all aren't going to be thinking about the polishes, y'all going to be thinking about the acrylic. But maybe next time I'll do acrylic for a polish review. I do acrylic for polish reviews. It's not like I don't, it's just I prefer to do it this way so y'all can focus on the polishes more. And I know right now I'm doing bling, it's not about the polishes, but the bling coordinates with the polishes and it's going on top, and the colors, they like, you know, they help bring each other out. I don't know how to say it, but yeah, pretty much an ombre on top of an ombre on my index nail. So like I said, I did that glitter ombre, but also I did like a bling ombre on top with some of that gold bling, as you can see. So it's like a double ombre type of thing going on. But anyway, on the last nail, I'm basically just gonna put some butterflies and the money sign, and that's it. So let me know what y'all think of these polishes below. I love them. I love Rosalind's polishes every time. I feel like I don't even have to say that at the end of a video. Y'all know I love Rosalind polishes. Rarely have I had a bad experience with their polishes. Also, their packaging is good. It always comes in good condition. Everything always comes tightly sealed, and yeah, I just always have a nice smooth experience. Let me know what y'all think of these nails and the polishes below. Remember that discount code for 10% off is in my description, as well as these polishes, they're linked below. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and the nail set, and be sure to follow my Instagram and TikTok below, and leave a comment letting me know what your favorite color is from this kit, or anything at all. Just let me know anything, or just let me know what you think of this set below. Thank you for watching. Bye.